Binigyang din ng National Economic and Development Authority ang kahalagahan ng pagpapalakas ng service sector sa bansa. Ayon sa NEDA, napapanahon ito para makatulong sa mga mahihirap na mamamayan. Si George Bandola ang ating tagapagbalita.
Mataas man ang economic growth ng bansa pero mabagal pa rin daw ang pagpapaabot nito sa mga mahihirap. Paliwanag ni NEDA Deputy Director General Emmanuel Esguerra, maaaring may mga pulisiyang nagpipigil para may paabot ang pagunlad sa mas nakararami.
We have been slow in achieving it. It's not like we have any progress. We have made some progress, but it has been slow. It can be better. Well, recently the poverty incidence went down, right? So that is one indication that the growth has been inclusive, but that's just for 1 year. So we need to ensure that this is going to be sustained.
Sa National Workshop on Service, layunin nitong himukin ng iba't ibang sektor ng pamakalan at pribadong sektor na pagtuunan ng mga pulisiyang mag-aangat sa kakayahan ng service sector. Sabi ni Esguerra, malaki pa ang puwang para paunlarin ng bansa ang sector, subalit kailangang alisin ang ilang restrictions para mapaunlad ito at makatulong sa hinahabol na inclusive growth.
There are many challenges, and among the challenges are restrictions, certain regulations that restrict foreign participation. In some areas, there is a shortage of talent, but we have restrictions, and some industry players feel that they're not able to have access to those talents. Well, these are supposed to be growth sectors where important skills are lacking.
53% ng GDP nanggagaling sa service jobs. Subalit base sa pag-aaral ng Philippine Institute for Development Studies, karamihan sa mga ito ay sa BPOs, financial, telecom at banking lang. Malaki pa rin daw ang kakulangan ng workforce sa service sector sa hotel and restaurant, tourism, automotive, motorcycle, retail and wholesale at mga non-bank industry. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.